Hey guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit of a throwback. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial. I actually haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while. I think the last one I did was the Jekyll and Hill palette. So Colourpop just recently came out with their Soul palette, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I absolutely A, had to get it, and B, had to do a tutorial on it. It is so gorgeous. I die. These colors are amazing. These two especially are like incredible. So I was so excited to get this palette in and to do a tutorial for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then keep watching. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first things first, we had to prep the skin, lips, and throw the hair back. Then I went in and primed my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish primer and just dabbed that all over my face. And then I went in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, of course. Next, I used the Born This Way foundation. I actually really love this foundation. I took a little while to find my exact color. I ended up being natural beige, but once I found my perfect match, I ended up loving this foundation. For concealer, I just used the Cover FX Cream Concealer. I had actually never used this before and I really liked it. I think I would definitely go a color lighter next time though, but I did love the coverage and it was pretty creaseless, I will say. So right here I had finished concealing and powdered my under eyes and ended up stabbing myself in the face, so that was fun. Using Movie Magic, I did my eyebrows really quickly. Next up, it was time for eyeshadow. I started off with the color New Digs, which is a really pretty sherbet orange color that I thought would be perfect to use as my base and transition color. Next, I went in with the color Dynamite to give some dimension and depth back into my eyes. I just used a small Morphe blending brush to place that into my crease and blend out. After we blended to filth, I went in with the next color, which was this really pretty brown shade called Floaties. This color is great for giving that deep smoky effect. I always like to go in with a dark color in the very outer corners of my eyes and just blend it inwards towards the center of the eye. That way you get that great gradient effect and there's no harsh lines. So the next color I went in with was the color Ooh, and I really have no particular reason for using this color. It was just such a cool, pretty color, and I just wanted to use it, so that's it. Finally, I went in with the color Anthem, which is a really gorgeous, warm, coppery color with a metallic finish, and you guys, this shadow is really what makes this entire look. I love it. Once I was finished, I went in with a clean blending brush and just blended all of the harsh lines out. I also grabbed a small detail brush and used all of the same colors I had used on my eyelid to smoke out the under eye area. This is what's going to really give you that next level smoky effect. Next, I went in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, no surprise there, to line my upper lids. Then it was time for lashes. I just used the Ardell Wispies. These are classics. I feel like I use them in every tutorial because they are just the very best. They look natural but full and they're not too overwhelming and crazy. Next up, it was time to bronze. I went in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Bronzer to bring some dimension and warmth back into my face. I did a little contour of my nose as well as my jawline. This was me super excited to be contouring away my double chin. Next up, my favorite part, highlight. So I use the Tarte's Pro Glow. It is a liquid highlighter. I actually prefer liquid highlighters just because I do have dry skin. So the liquid highlighters tend to show up better on my skin and they kind of give me that pretty healthy glow that powders usually just end up looking like powders on my skin. I was really feeling this highlighter. I mean, look at that glow, guys. I bring the highlighter up to my temples just to kind of give that overall healthy glow. I also do a little nose highlight. I know we're not all here for the nose highlight, but your girl is. Had to throw a little on the lips as well. Then it was time for mascara. I went in, of course, with my Voluminous Lash Paradise, my favorite mascara of all time. I don't think I'll ever use any other mascara in the whole world. For my brow highlight, I popped on a little of the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. This highlighter is one of the few I like to use in powder form and love it for a brow highlight. Next, I just went in to do a little bit of detail work with my eyeliner and on my lower lashes. Next, it was time for lips. I went in with NYX lip liner in Pale Pink. I love this color for a good pinky nude. For lipstick, I used Revlon's matte lipstick in Pink Pout. To finish off lips, I used a bit of the Marc Jacobs gloss in the center for some dimension. Finally, it was time to set the makeup. Of course, I went in with Urban Decay's Chill Setting Spray. I love this setting spray. It's cooling and hydrating. Make sure you fan the face to dry the spray and don't be afraid to use whatever is near you as a fan. And that is the completed look. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me today. Please like down below if you enjoyed these kinds of videos and I will definitely be sure to make more of them. As always, please smash that subscribe button to follow me, turn notifications on so you can see when I'm posting and when I'm uploading. Thank you guys so much for your support. As always, it means the absolute world to me and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay, this monitor, you guys, it's very distracting.